So today is one of those days where a Sap Spy can be both a blessing and a curse. Just heading out to the farm right now. So the blessing is I know what's going on. I know we're low on vacuum. The curse is I know we're low on vacuum. So I got to break plans a little bit this afternoon. I would love to have been out here earlier. Had a commitment though that I just couldn't get out of earlier today. So as soon as that commitment was over, running straight out here, dropping everything I had planned, heading out to the farm. Looking at the data, it looks like lane line 5, somewhere in lane line 5, we either have a spout out, maybe a big swirl chew in one of our lines, as that line is significantly lower, only at about 13 inches. Comparison at our releaser, we're at 20 inches. So I think we got a big leak somewhere on main line 5. I'm going to run out there, correct that. Hopefully we'll get most of the system back up to that 27-inch range where we were before. And then we'll spend another hour or two trying to get up to that 28 inches of vacuum. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, here's our leak. Get a little running up here before we can, as we're pumping the sap tank out. And right there's another spout. Another spout we missed. Big leak because it's right next to the main line too. That's why the vacuum dropped off so far. Dropped off of 5A and 5B, which you'll see right here and right here. That's why both of those laterals dropped off so much. All right, I'm gonna get this fixed and then quick get back to emptying that tank.